If your Windows is stuck on restarting, which means there have Windows update issues, system file corruption, driver and hard disk issues, etc. Now, if you want to fix the stuck on restarting problem on your Windows 11 or 10, then you can apply some effective methods here shown in this video. So, without further ado, let's jump to the first method. First of all, you can remove external hard disk and devices, then simply press and hold power button for 8 to 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Next, press the power button again and see what happens. In the second method, press and hold Windows X and power button key together for 8 to 10 seconds until it's turned off. After that, press the power button again and see. In method number 3, you can unplug the power cable and laptop battery if possible. Then plug in the battery and power cable again. Next, try to turn on your PC and see. In the fourth method, you can update your PC. Simply right click on start icon, go to settings, click on Windows Update. Now you can download and install the latest Windows update from here. Also, you can check for updates. If your PC has been already updated, simply uninstall the updates from control panel. In the next method, if you want to fix all your Windows booting issues like black screen, blue screen, restarting screen, loading screen, boot screen, automatic repair, on, turn on, random reboot, welcome screen, etc., then you can try 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius tool. Just download and install this tool from here. And follow the screen instructions to solve your Windows restarting or booting issues. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates.